So, you've got a foreign check burning a hole in your pocket, and you're wondering if Commonwealth Bank is the place to cash it in? Well, buckle up, because we're about to dive deep into the world of foreign checks and Commonwealth Bank's stance on them. Let's face it, dealing with foreign checks can feel like navigating a maze. You're not alone if you've ever stared at one, feeling a mix of confusion and frustration. Is it a piece of paper with monetary value, or a mysterious artifact from a bygone era? The truth is, in today's digital age, checks are slowly becoming dinosaurs, and foreign checks, even more so. But, let's rewind a bit. What exactly is a foreign check? Well, it's simply a check drawn on a foreign bank account. It's like a regular check, but with an international flair. They can be a convenient way to receive money from overseas, but as we'll discover, they're not always the most efficient method. Now, let's talk about Commonwealth Bank. It's one of Australia's largest banks, serving millions of customers. But does it play nice with foreign checks? The short answer is, not anymore. That's right, Commonwealth Bank has officially stopped accepting foreign checks. It's a decision that has left many people scratching their heads, especially those who rely on receiving money from overseas. But why the sudden change? Well, the world is moving towards digital payments. Online transfers, mobile payments, and even cryptocurrency are becoming the norm. Checks, in general, are becoming less popular due to the time and effort involved in processing them. Foreign checks, with their added layer of complexity, are even less desirable for banks. So, what are your options if you're stuck with a foreign check? Don't panic. There are alternatives. You can ask the sender to send the money via an international money transfer. This is usually faster, more secure, and more convenient. Another option is to visit a currency exchange service. They might be able to cash your check for you, but expect some fees. It's important to note that while Commonwealth Bank might not be an option for cashing your foreign check, other banks might still accept them. However, it's always a good idea to check with the bank beforehand to avoid disappointment. The bottom line is that foreign checks are becoming a thing of the past. While they might still be used in some parts of the world, it's clear that the trend is moving towards digital payments. So, if you have the option, consider requesting payment through other means. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.